In this video, I'm going to show you how to open or create a Photon SOL account. So there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can check that out, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you use my link in the description and sign up via that. So the first thing you want to do is, once you open up that link, over here you'll see the option on the website to connect a wallet, and you can do this by connecting a Phantom wallet. Now, if you don't have it yet, what you have to do is go to phantom.com, and over here on their website you want to click download for Chrome over here. So just click on that and it will take you to this Phantom Chrome extension web store. So over here I have this already, so I can only remove it, but you'll be able to press add to Chrome over here and then confirm add to Chrome, and then your Phantom wallet will be added up here. As you can see, I have it over here. Let me pin it so we can see it. There we go. Now, once you've done that, you will first have to click on it and follow the instructions to create your account and then open up a wallet on Photon, okay? And once you have done this, you will then be able to connect this to Photon. So you will have to connect your Phantom wallet to Photon, and then on here you can do this by just going to website, and once you have created your Phantom wallet, you can just refresh the website and it will show you this option to connect wallet. You can just click connect wallet, and then it will give you this kind of message over here where you can just press confirm, and just like that you will then get access to Photon SOL and you can start using your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.